Continental reckons over 4 out of 5 car tyres haven't got enough air in them, and that can result in wayward handling or, worse, a blowout. And that's crazy when it's so simple to check your tyres. First of all, you need to find out the correct pressure for your car on your tyres, and that is in one of 3 places on most cars. It's either in the owner's manual, it's either behind the fuel filler door, or, in the case of this Golf, it's in here, inside the door shut area. Okay, first up, remove the valve cap and put it in a safe place, like here, a pocket. And then attach your compressor. You can use a traditional foot pump, of course, with a gauge, but I'm lazy, so I've gone for an electric compressor. Pressure's up, it's all good. Remove that, put your safely concealed valve cap back on. That stops dirt ingress, and relax. You see, cars with correct tyre pressure are not just more economical, they're also safer.